any 4x4 diesel. We're just arriving at Dobinson's in Rockhampton on our Dobinson suspension, and I've never been here before, so I don't actually know where I'm going, but I'm going to go and try and find a Dobinson and see if they can learn you something. Dobinson's customer parking, that would be the one. Just turn in the side street, Power Street, if you come down here. Bada bing, bada boom. Let's get a video together if we can find a Dobinson or someone else and see what happens at this place. Twin shoes. All right, I've got a Dobinson's here. We've been a Dobinson here, not a Dobinson's. Dobinson from Dobinson's anyway. We've been through the manufacturing, and it's really noisy in there, so we couldn't really run through and explain exactly the process of making these coils. So do you mind just like in about 2 minutes, just quickly run through the process?
Yeah, sure, easy as. So pretty much, you start off, you got a round bar at a certain length, depending on the part number. You know, if it's a patrol or cruiser or Hilux, different lengths. So you cut it to the length you want. Then you want to heat it up, obviously, so it's hot enough to form into a coil. So that, then once it's at about that 850, 950, 1,000 degrees, you can run it over the coiler. The coiler will roll it to the ID shape, ID length, and if you've got pigtail on the end or any tapers or that, so it'll do that. Then from there you want to harden it. So while it's at 850 degrees approximately, you want to get it red hot at that 850 degrees and dip it into the oil. So then that makes it hard. After it's hardened, you need to take some of the hardness away by tempering it to give it some, I suppose, toughness, the ability to be a spring now, taking away from just something that will break or sag. It's going to give it a bit of spring now, so it returns to its original height. So we temper it then at about that 400, 450 degree mark. From there, you want to grind it if the end's ground. Not all coils are ground, obviously. It depends on the vehicle fitment and all that stuff.
I'm just looking to see if I can find a ground one now. Keep talking. Oh, there's one.
Yeah. And then from there, after it's ground, if it's ground or not, doesn't matter. Then you go on a shot peen it.
That's those little balls we picked up.
Yeah. So you shoot that, just makes the surface area a bit harder and a bit more extra surface area. Make it last a bit longer, stop it, prevent sag and all that stuff, durability. And then from there, you want to check the specs, take the sag out of it, which we call scragging it. So you're pressing it down, taking the sag out of it. Then from there, you just want to make sure it's all finished at the right heights, I guess, and paint it, powder coat it.
That's it, and it looks beautiful like this.
Yeah, that's it. Pretty
all right, happy days. Thanks for that. Shot peening? What's shot peening?
Shot peening is when you shoot the steel shot at the surface of the spring, and it essentially hardens the surface of the spring to make the spring last longer.
Leaf springs. How do you make a leaf spring?
First you gotta cut it, I guess. Measure it up, cut it.
What's going on over here?
They're going to put a wrap on this one. So you see it's got an eye and then they need to bend out and make a wrap around it.
Hang on, you said you didn't have any 327s. There's heaps here, mate. There's pellets full. All right, load them up. Hey, mate, I need some springs. These are the 59300s. No, they're too short. We need the longer ones. Keep looking.